Oh, good afternoon, WAHC. It's 12:07. But anyway, what is this? I didn't read the message.
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a special marine warning for the Cape Cod
Boston?
Bay.
Special marine warning!
Up to 25 nautical miles south of Martha's Vineyard in Nantucket. Coastal waters east of Ipswich Bay and the Stellarton Bank National Marine Sanctuary. Coastal waters from Provincetown, Massachusetts to Chatham, Massachusetts to Nantucket, Massachusetts, south 20 nautical miles, Nantucket Sound. Ocean waters from Provincetown to Nantucket from 20 to 35 nautical miles offshore. Ocean waters from the Merrimack River to Plymouth from 40 to 60 nautical miles offshore until 12:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At noon Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along the line extending from near Provincetown to Dennis to near Monomoy Point to near the coastal waters south of Nantucket, moving northeast at 45 knots. Hazards include waterspouts and wind gusts in excess of 50 knots. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds. Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include the coastal waters south of Nantucket, Chatham Light, the coastal waters east of Cape Cod, Stage Harbor Light, Wellfleet Harbor, Nauset Light, Sankaty Head Light, Monomoy Point, the coastal waters east of Nantucket and northeastern.